Welcome to Pure Aqua for the most advanced reverse osmosis water treatment and purification systems worldwide. We've built thousands of standard and custom systems, generating millions of gallons of purified water every day in over 200 countries worldwide. Our engineers design custom water purification systems for multiple industries and applications, including water containment treatment, mining, agriculture, water recycling and reuse, food and beverage, groundwater remediation, desalination, power and energy, and customized purification. Pure Aqua has a wide array of systems and plants available, including reverse osmosis systems, which is the foundation of our reputation. Our tap and brackish water systems can purify extremely high capacities of water. These systems are designed to be as energy efficient as possible, with compact design and energy-saving membranes. Our systems are available with a wide range of options and pre-treatment. Pure Aqua seawater reverse osmosis systems are designed to withstand the rough nature of seawater. Our seawater systems are designed to be portable enough to fit on ships, but can still handle the wear and tear associated with rough terrain. Seawater systems can also be containerized for a truly portable desalination solution. Seawater-resistant stainless steel pumps, stainless steel high-pressure piping, energy recovery systems available for 48,000 gallons per day systems and larger. Nanofiltration systems are perfect when an ion exchange system may not be practical. Our nanofiltration systems have all of the advantages of our reverse osmosis systems but serve a separate role in water treatment. A nanofiltration system does not need salt, unlike a softener, which is more ideal in some circumstances. It is designed to be as energy efficient as possible, with low energy and high rejection of multivalent ions. Our ultrafiltration systems are designed to eliminate the need of other clarifiers or multimedia filters, remove bacteria and viruses as well as most particulates, have no media to be replaced like conventional filtration systems, low fouling modules, outside-in, hollow fiber UF modules, and basic vertical modular design permits low-cost, compact systems. Our membrane cleaning skid restores the original design rates. It extends the lifespan of the membranes, enhances recovery and rejection rate percentages, and keeps the membrane safe from irreparable fouling. A membrane cleaning skid is a smart investment for an industrial system, saving you thousands of dollars in membrane replacement. Pure Aqua's water purification systems are perfect pre-treatments for reverse osmosis systems, but often stand alone as water treatment systems. Pure Aqua's filtration systems are relatively inexpensive, with no recurring costs of consumables, are a proven process, and most tested forms of water treatment. Media filtration systems are robust with no moving parts inside the tanks. With modular control valves designed for operational flexibility, it is long-lasting, easily cleaned, maintained, and resistant to fouling. Cartridge filters are compact, simple, lightweight, and easily fit onto a skid-mounted system. Replacing a used cartridge is straightforward, and a large stock of replacement filters are always available. Cartridge filters are perfect for removing large particulates before a smaller system to prevent damaging it, where a media filter system is inconvenient. It also saves space, saves immense investment in infrastructure, and meets a variety of filtration prerequisites. Cartridge filters are filters without wear and tear with less maintenance required. It is for long-term use and has a great filtration speed. Our ion exchange systems use only the highest quality resins to maximize their lifespans. Our industrial systems and commercial softeners are designed to replace hazardous ions in water with salt, which is highly rejected by reverse osmosis systems. Like in a home, industrial water softeners help preserve piping by removing water hardness. Fast results with short and long-term applications. Ion exchange systems have a variety of tank sizes, allow for quick installation, and require minimal maintenance. Deionization systems remove the ions without adding salt and are capable of producing laboratory-grade ultra-pure water. These advanced systems often act as a post-treatment to reverse osmosis. We have both chemical and electro-deionization systems available. These systems have a compact design with high efficiency. We also offer dual-bed and mixed-bed deionizers. Water disinfection systems. Our ultraviolet and chemical dosing systems are excellent post-treatment for sterilizing water. Ultraviolet sterilizers by Pure Aqua are capable of disinfecting water without affecting the taste of your product water, without the use of expensive chemicals, and with minimal upkeep. Ultraviolet sterilizers come in a number of sizes for any water treatment system. They are economical, easily and simply installed, and effective. Virtually all microorganisms are susceptible to UV disinfection. Pure Aqua's chemical dosing systems offer precision, reliability, and flexibility in chemical dosing applications, making them a preferred choice for industries that require accurate and efficient chemical dosing processes. Precision dosing, highly reliable, wide range of chemical compatibility, easy calibration, energy efficient, compact design. Custom systems. Our water treatment experts work with each of our clients to choose the perfect system for each job, maximizing product output while minimizing overall costs. Containerized solutions, turnkey, pre-plumbed and pre-wired water treatment plants add a new level of utility to industrial systems, protecting your investment from the elements and enabling it to move from location to location as necessary. Almost any industrial system and its pre-treatment can be made containerized to meet your water treatment needs. Pure Aqua custom engineers complete integrated water treatment plants from raw water intake to product water distribution and building specifications. Turnkey installation, modular scalability, and limited civil work. Pre- and post-treatment is important when working with reverse osmosis and nanofiltration membranes due to the nature of their spiral wound design, custom engineered to any specifications. Many control options are available, and turnkey installation. All of our systems come with a selection of customizable options available. Our engineers will work with you to make a system tailored to your specific water treatment needs. Wireless controllers and skid mounting are only a few of the options available when you choose customized purification. Skid mounting, remote monitoring, data logging, advanced water treatment instruments, double pass RO design, repressurization systems, ASME tanks and vessels, NSF components, and lastly, feed and permeate blending. Please visit our Learning Resource Center, where you can explore calculators, water treatment terminology, blogs, and more. Thank you for choosing Pure Aqua as your primary supplier.